So I have to ask you about the whole IPL issue. You don't want to talk about it? Not at all?
No comment.
Even if you don't want to talk about cricket? About the broader sports segment, will you look at engaging with other sports? Because now a lot of people are looking at buying franchisees when it comes to football, kabaddi. So, leaving cricket aside, do you see there's more potential in these sports which are being explored, which have a lot of interest now?
Yeah, I would say we continue to be involved with cricket. Okay, we have a lot of properties involved with cricket. We're just going to do a series which some of the great senior players are going to be doing next month. So we are involved with that. We are the beverage sponsor of ISL. We were the sponsor last year. We continue with the sponsor this year, and we will continue to be involved with the television rights of many a program. So our commitment to sport, but more specifically our commitment to passions which matter to the consumer, will continue.
With respect to startups, how will Pepsi look at engaging with startups going forward?
Yeah, so for example, we have engaged with a lot of people. You saw a number of people talking about e-commerce. So Pepsi has taken a leading position or pole position with a number of e-commerce players. So we built very strong partnerships with them. So equally in the area of health and wellness and how people will want to eat their food in the future, that's another area we should be building partnerships. So that's how we are connected with this type of innovation that you're talking about.
Mr. Arora mentioned how some of his friends in the old economy often ask him questions on valuations. Are these sustainable? Do you have similar concerns as well?
See, at the end of the day, if a business truly serves the need of a consumer, I think the valuation will follow. The inflow of capital in the early stages invariably makes somebody feel that maybe the valuation is high or they're doing something wrong. But my own submission is, in all new ventures, as well as entering India, entering today will always be cheaper than entering tomorrow. So a valuation which looks tough or overvaluated today might actually end up not being so, and actually might end up being damn good value in the future world.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.